Welcome to the BD-Qtopia video editing tutorial. Today we will learn how to create a cinematic door open transition using CapCut. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on upcoming tutorials and more. Let's begin the tutorial. I have imported a specific type of door opening video and a green screen image. This video you can download from pixabay.com. I have added the link of the video in the description. Add the video to the timeline and remove the extra part from the beginning. Forward the playhead and find the position where the door starts open. Add the green screen to the timeline and set the starting point at that position. Disabled the uniform scale and set the scale width value to 1. At the starting point of the green screen, add the first keyframe to scale width and position. Forward the playhead position and change the scale width and position as required. You have to continue the process until the green screen completely shows. Remove the additional part of the video. Export the video. Remove everything from the timeline and import the exported video. Add a video to the first track. Enable chroma key from cutout. Use the color picker to select the green color. Increase the value of the strength until the green screen shows completely. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.